Here we go again with the tripod. Good morning, guys. Oh, God. Alright, you know what? Person hold the camera. Good morning. So I'm going outside to start the car because my mom's gotta go to the doctor's today. Yay. I stayed home from homeschool group because I wanted to, well, first off, I told her, no, Mommy, you're not gonna drive me there and then drive yourself to the doctor's. It's too much running around. So I told her, no, you're not doing that. So I'm staying home today to do my best to, wow, bright sun, to do my best to kind of help her out. It's my turn to be the caretaker. I'm spreading my sickness. It's so ridiculous. Hey guys, what's up? So, I have to cook something because my mom is relaxing. Oh, I meant to tell you guys, I never vlogged like when we got back from the doctor's, but she does not have walking pneumonia, she just has a virus, which is both a good and bad thing. It's good because it's not walking pneumonia, but it's bad because there's nothing we can do about it. She just has to lay low and basically let it run its course. So I have to cook some meat, and I'm going to say now, if any of you guys are either vegetarians or just grossed out by raw, kind of bloody meat, you might want to just skip ahead. But for those of you who want to see me try and cook, please continue watching. So, got this meat here. Whoa, camera's going insane. Got this. I apologize because it looks gross and I'm grossed out by it too. Okay, move my... I had to eat on a princess plate today because we're basically out of paper plates, so I'm saving it in case, because I can probably use it again. Okay, so I've got my iPad here with my directions on how to cook this meat. So first thing I have to do is empty this bag of juices. So come here. Move this in the sink. Alright, oh, this is gross. How does Mom do this? Okay, let's tip it. And, okay. Ew! Oh, ew. Gross. Get out, juices. We don't want you in there. This meat is cold. Freezing my phalanges off. Yeah, okay. Oh, let's rinse all this down. So nobody will want me to see that. Alright, step 1 is complete. Step 2, we gotta grind some pepper. So, we need a little cap. Oops, that's 2. I want 1. Hiya. No, feeds this cupboard. Pepper. Okay. You come with me, friend. So, my mom told me to grind about like a width of my pinky. Can we do this? Oh, it's hot. Ooh. I'm doing it. Grinding. Oh, that's gonna take a while. Apparently a lot. More than that one only. Okay, we have enough pepper. Step 3 is add the soy sauce and oil. Okay, now, according to my mother, I'm going to use these cups to measure the soy sauce and the oil. Let's grab the oil. Ew, the bottle is sticky. Sticky bottle. Okay. Soy sauce is in the fridge. Yes, it is. There it is. Don't drop it. Okay. My mom told me to do about the same amount of soy sauce as the pepper. Carefully. Okay. And she said half of one of these cups of the vegetable oil. So half. Okay. Now I have to pour all of these ingredients into the bag of meat. But first, I'm gonna wash my hands because they're sticky from that disgusting oil bottle, so BRB. Okay, so now I'm going to combine the oil, soy sauce, and this delicious smelling pepper stuff in the bag with the meat. And then I have to close the bag and kind of massage the meat so all of these things get nice and like spread out on it. So I think we'll start with the oil. There's really border. How this goes, but this is how we cut. So it's gonna get downhill. I decided to get done. Okay, and now the stuff. Woo! Okay, so seal it to the bag. Some air out. Okay, now we have to gently massage the meat. So, oh, this is weird. Okay. This feels very odd. Let's try and get cut all of it. I'm gonna cut it and stay on top. Massage. Here's going ever. Massaging meat. I didn't think I'd be massaging meat until I was at least 20, but I'm trying to use my hand. It's like about the top. So yeah, spread more evenly. Not sure if that's the out. Alright, put the sauce on top. Oh, there we go. Yes, flip the meat. I'm going to do it. Okay, how does that look? I think that looks on these balls. So I'm gonna seal this back up, air out. And now our final step is to stick this sucker back in the fridge so it can marinate in this concoction. So let's do that. Alright, Frank, time for you to chill, literally. Okay, don't me. You there. Now, I'll put you back where you were. Stay door. Alright, this is a door, door stay. That's my trick. Alright, now. Have a nice soak and chill. Okay, bye. Okay, so we are going to turn the oven on 350 degrees. And this is gonna beep at me when it's all ready to go. Okay, so now that the oven is preheating, we are going to grab the meat and we're gonna put it on its pan. But I need, where is that pan? Is it in here? Where does she, oh. I found it! Okay, so I'm gonna take this pan dish thingy, set it there. We also need some foil. And now we're going to massage our meat again one more time, just to make sure everything is all nice and ribbed in it. How am I gonna do this? Okay. Let's, I really don't want to touch it, but I might have to touch it. And do that. Okay, pop. Got this one. Okay. And pour some of this stuff on top of it. Leave it later. I really don't want to keep it. How do you meat? I think that's how Mom does it. And now we're going to pop our meat in at 350 degrees. Have a nice roast. Hello. Oven mitts. Ooh, get that meat. The oven wasn't even on, you guys wouldn't know that. See, the oven's not on, haha.